Man, it's the same they tried to pull in my day. You know, if it ain't that piece of paper, some other choice they're gonna try and make for you. You gotta do what Randall Pink Floyd wants to do, man. Let me tell you this, the older you do get, the more rules are gonna try to get you to follow. You just gotta keep living, man. Livin. You just gotta keep living, man.
There is something about this country that will grab you and never let you go. The diversity is astounding. Mountains, rivers, lakes, beaches, forests, it's got it all. Listen closely and you'll hear it calling for you. Tune into the rhythm and you'll find endless opportunities for adventure. So get out there and get wild and get South Africa.